On this episode of Cooking with Grandpa, we're making hobo baskets. You know, my grandparents used to make hobo baskets. It was a wonderful little treat. Makes a great dinner. Let me see. For the most part, hobo basket can be just about anything. You're going to need an onion. You're going to need a potato. You can put green beans in it. You can put cauliflower or broccoli or pretty much anything. Though it's usually a potato, an onion, something green, and hamburger meat. So, let's get this started by peeling this potato. You don't have to peel a potato. Personally, I prefer to peel a potato. That's just me. And when you peel a potato, you're going to get more than just the outer skin, unless you've been at it a while. So don't worry about it. Just do the best you can. Get that spot out. You know, hobo baskets we used to do in Boy Scouts too. You know, Scoutmaster loved to do them. They're easy. Bringing all the ingredients with you, even when hiking, is quite simple. I mean, the only thing you're going to need meat-wise is hamburger meat or a steak, maybe a filet mignon if you've got one, something like that. Some sort of meat. Heck, leftover ham will work as well. All right. There we go. Now, you're going to dice this potato into roughly half-inch cubes. What I'm doing is slicing it, turn it up, slice it this way, and go ahead and slice it. Cut it into pieces. You get a couple of good cuts there. Cut that up into pieces. Alright. Now the potato's ready. I'm going to put it over here, kind of out of the way for now. Go ahead and take this peel, put it in the trash bag. Alright, so we got an onion. We're going to do the onion a little different than we usually do. We're going to go ahead and take the top and bottom off, just like you would normally. You'll toss this. Now with the onion, you're going to want a thick slice, because the onion is what will protect the meat from burning, basically. So you're looking at an onion that size, probably get 3 slices out of, going first here and then there. You see that's good half-inch slice there. We'll take the one out of the middle, we'll set it to the side. Now we have our onion ready. Now, I really like poblano peppers. Always have. So, I bought a poblano for this, and I'm going to go ahead and pop it open. As I said, besides the onion and potato, you can pretty much put anything you want in it. I'm going to do a poblano. We'll get some good big slices here. We can slice those. So we got our poblano ready. Set that off to the side. Now to do a hobo basket, You need a good sized piece of aluminum foil. And on that, you are going to set right in the middle your piece of onion. Now I brought hamburger meat with me today, so I'm going to get this hamburger meat out and go ahead and pat it into a patty. Nice big thick patty. We're going to put that right on top of the onion. Around that, we're going to put our potatoes. Just going to break those up, spread them around a little, just like that. And then we're going to put the poblano in here. Now, let's see. We're going to need some pepper, because everything's good with pepper. Just a few cranks. So we're going to go ahead and get us a little garlic powder, which due to the humidity is pretty much solidified out here. The garlic powder. And a little bit of cayenne, because I like cayenne pepper. Just a hair more. Alright. So now that we've got everything spiced the way we want it, you're going to put a pat of butter in it. Roughly 2/3 to a full tablespoon of butter. I'm going to go for a tablespoon because of how big this is. I'm going to put that right on top. If you don't know, it's marked. And as long as you cut roughly at that line, you get in a tablespoon. Alright, now that it's ready, you're going to bring the long end up together and fold it over. And let's go ahead and roll that down. And then we'll fold up the ends. We want to create a pouch that everything is sealed in so that it can cook in its own juices. Now, when camping, this can be placed directly on a fire. Toss it in the fire and let it go. If you got a grill, you can put it on the grill, which is what I'll be doing today. So, let's get that on the grill. We're going to put this hobo basket on. I'm going to put it right in the middle of the grill over the hottest part. It's going to need 30 to 45 minutes. We're going to close that lid down. Crack it just a hair. We're going to let that cook for 30-45 minutes, somewhere in there. Alright, let's slide this off onto a plate. Let's go ahead and open this up all the way. And yes, it's hot. Very hot. And that's it. This is a hobo basket. Everything you need all in one. Oh, those potatoes are perfect. Soft and buttery. Yeah, it's very hot. Good poblano. That hamburger meat's well done. I think I'm going to sit and eat this